Let me show you how to share videos on TikTok. If you're new to TikTok and haven't yet shared any video, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then you just need to tap on this plus icon that you see on the bottom of the screen. Now in this situation, there are two things that you can do. Either you can record a video straight away, or if you already have a video pre-recorded, you can tap on this icon on the right hand side and then just select the video from your gallery. Once you selected a video, you can tap on next on the bottom right. And there are a few additional settings that you can manage, such as adding in music to your video, adding in filters, which you can see on the bottom, also adding in text or stickers, which is visible on the right hand side. You can also expand this to show a few more other settings. There is an inbuilt caption inside of TikTok, so if you have a voice recorded and you want to show captions in the video, you can just tap on this option and auto caption will be enabled. Once you add in everything that you need, tap on next on the bottom right, and then this is the section where you can add in captions to your video, also tag and mention people. If you have any links that you want to add in, you can tap on add link, and then you can add in any links to the video so that people watching the video can visit. Once all of that is done, you can just tap on post on the bottom right. Once the video is posted, you will be able to view it on the profile section, which is on the bottom right, and you just need to tap on this icon if you are not here already, which you will be able to see the video being posted. That's pretty much it for today's video. I do hope this card video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.